Have you ever wondered why that perfect shade of lipstick you saw on someone else just doesn't look right on you? Or why a foundation that seems like your exact skin color ends up looking ashy or orange? The secret isn't just about light or dark, it's all about your skin's undertone. Understanding undertones is the key that unlocks a world of makeup that truly flatters you, making you look vibrant and healthy instead of washed out. Let's go back in time. For centuries, artists have understood the concept of undertones. Renaissance painters, for example, knew they couldn't just use a single peachy color to paint skin. They layered greens, blues, and yellows underneath to create lifelike, luminous portraits. They understood that human skin wasn't one flat color but a complex canvas of underlying tones. This same principle applies directly to makeup artistry today. Think of your face as a canvas. The colors you apply should harmonize with the natural colors already present. So, what exactly are undertones? They're the subtle, permanent colors just beneath your skin's surface. Unlike your skin tone, which can change with sun exposure, your undertone remains constant. There are three main categories: cool, warm, and neutral. Cool undertones have hints of pink, red, or blue. Warm undertones lean towards yellow, peach, or gold. And neutral undertones. They're a balanced mix of both cool and warm. Figuring out your undertone might sound complicated, but it's easier than you think. One of the most classic methods is the vein test. Look at the veins on the inside of your wrist in natural light. If they appear blue or purple, you likely have cool undertones. If they look green, you're probably warm-toned. See, the green color is just an illusion. It's your yellow-toned skin layered over blue veins. If you can't quite tell if they're blue or green, or you see a mix of both, you might be neutral. Another fun way is the jewelry test. Think about which metals flatter your skin the most. Do you find that silver, platinum, and rose gold make your skin glow? That's a good sign you have cool undertones. If you're drawn to gold and feel it brightens your complexion, you're likely warm-toned. If you can rock both gold and silver without a problem, congratulations, you're probably a neutral. You can also use clothing to guide you. Hold a piece of pure white fabric and then an off-white or cream-colored fabric up to your face without any makeup on. If the pure white makes you look amazing, you're probably cool. If it makes you look washed out and the cream shade is more flattering, you're likely warm. If both look equally good, you're in that versatile, neutral category again. Now, for the magic part. Applying this knowledge, once you know your undertone, shopping for makeup becomes a breeze. For foundation, warm-toned individuals should look for shades with yellow or golden bases, often labeled with a W. Cool-toned people should seek out foundations with pink or bluish undertones marked with a C. Neutrals, marked with an N, have the most flexibility and can often wear shades from either side or a mix. This isn't just for foundation, it's for everything. Let's talk about blush. Warm undertones come alive with peachy, coral, and orange-toned blushes. Cool undertones are beautifully enhanced by rosy pinks, berry shades, and mauves. Neutrals can play with a wide spectrum from soft pinks to peachy corals. The right blush will give you a natural, healthy flush, like you just came back from a brisk walk. The wrong one can look muddy or unnaturally doll-like. And lipstick. This is where undertones can make the biggest difference. For warm undertones, think warm reds with an orange base, coral pinks, and terracotta nudes. These colors will make your smile pop. For cool undertones, gravitate towards blue-based reds, fuchsias, berry tones, and rosy nudes. They'll brighten your whole face. Neutrals can explore a vast range, but they often shine in mauves and dusty rose shades. Even your eyeshadow choices can be guided by your undertone. Warm-toned skin is beautifully complemented by earthy shades like gold, bronze, copper, and warm browns. Cool-toned skin looks stunning in silver, lavender, grey, and cool blues. This doesn't mean you can never wear a color from the opposite family. It just means that when you choose colors that harmonize with your undertone, the effect is more seamless and naturally flattering. Mastering your undertone is like learning the secret language of your own skin. It transforms makeup from a game of guesswork into an intuitive art form. You'll find that your makeup looks more cohesive, your complexion appears healthier, and you feel more confident in your choices. It's not about following strict rules, but about understanding the principles of color theory to enhance your unique, natural beauty. So take a look at your wrists, try on some jewelry, and start discovering the colors that were truly made for you.